this is a 21-22 Honda Accord. We are doing a test fitment on the Yofer 3-piece modular bumper kit, which is for the 18 to 20 Accord. So what we've done here is we have purchased some needed OEM pieces to allow the 18 to 20 modular bumper from Yofer to work on a 21-22 Accord. So what we've done here is we've got, basically there's 3 pieces that we purchased from Honda directly. We've purchased the lower grill piece here, the upper grill piece, and then behind this, you can't see it, behind there's a like a buffer bracket that goes on the back that actually is the buffer between the crash bar and the bumper. All right, and then we've also used, this is an 18 to 20 Accord. This is the grill garnish. So that has to be used as well since you're using the 18 to 20 grill pieces. And we don't have them installed in, but we have tested them. We have the OE style fog light units, which on the 21-22, these connector ports here are direct plug and play. So you just have to install them into the location where the fog lights go. So when you see we've mounted everything up. Everything does fit, it lines up. Fitment's good. Plugs into the OE, the headlight brackets underneath. Everything lines up nice. So the only thing you have to transfer over, because our kit will come with, it's going to come with the grill garnish. Although the one we have will be a gloss black one that matches this, because we're going to supply the grill garnish on there. We'll supply the upper and lower grill pieces as well as the crash bar, little buffer bracket. We'll supply the OE style fog light units. The only thing you're going to have to transfer over is you'll need to transfer this piece right here from your factory front bumper. So this is basically the upper garnish or the upper piece of the grill. And then you'll need to transfer over your Honda emblem. Yes, this right here. So this one here, we don't have it on this one, but on your factory grill garnish, the little eyebrow pieces here are gonna have these little rubber seals here where this gap is. You will need to take those off of your factory one, and you will need to transfer them over to this one here, because again, you're not gonna be using the 21-22 eyebrow or grill garnish pieces here. You're going to be using the one from the 18-20 that we supplied, the gloss black one. But as you can see, fitment is really good. Everything looks really nice. It's got the cutout here for the radar piece. You just need to mount all your little undershield pieces and everything. Make sure all that stuff's good protected. But yeah, fitment's really, really nice. It looks good on the car. It goes well with the car. So the kit will come with the OEM lower grill piece, which is right here. The upper grill piece, which this is the piece right here. This is the piece that the grill garnish clips into. And then behind that will be the crash bar buffer bracket that mounts to the back of the bumper, or the back of the grill. So again, the only thing you'll have to transfer over will be this, and then your Honda emblem. These other pieces here, along with the OE style fog light units, and then of course just the modular bumper kit itself, will all come in the kit where we will be offering. Again, as a reminder, once again, the rubber trim pieces that are on your factory eyebrow from your grill garnish, you need to take those off and transfer them over to the grill garnish that comes in the kit. That grill garnish that comes in the kit doesn't come with those little rubber seal pieces here, the little rubber trim seal pieces here. You'll need to transfer those over. Be very, very careful when you're taking them off so you don't tear them or damage them, because you're going to need to have them there, otherwise you'll have this little gap here and it won't look good. But as you can see, again, it fits perfectly fine. It looks good on the car, and this gives you an option to be able to use that Yofer modular bumper on the newer 21-22 Accords. And so just a special shout out to Chris Lavia. Chris Lavia actually helped us with providing steps on what parts were needed in order to allow this kit to work on the 21-22 Accord. Again, we definitely appreciate his information and input on this. So So very shortly we'll be offering that to you on our website, so you can purchase it for your 21, 22 Accord.
So this is the modular bumper, okay? And like earlier we stated, so basically we installed it first to test fit it, and then we are now going to show you basically like a kind of like a reverse installation. The kit will completely come with everything, okay? Except this piece like showed you earlier, and this rubber piece, okay? This rubber piece will need to be transferred over from your original one. Now let me show you that rubber piece. This is the grill garnish from the 21 to 22 Honda Accord, and this is the rubber piece that we are talking about, okay? Once you remove it, it's gonna be a little hard to put it back on. This can be removed. I think it's held by 3M tape, and then when you are installing it, you have to install it really nicely and precisely, so then it looks like this. And then you're gonna install this rubber piece on that bumper, this area on top, okay? So number one, this rubber piece, and number two, these are the only things. So this is gonna transfer over from your 21 to 22 Accord, and so is this rubber piece. And now the kit will come with this lower grill, okay? This support, this is like a support for the crash bar. And the third one is gonna be this piece, okay, which goes underneath this white piece, garnish or grill, upper grill area, to support it. Okay, so now assembling the modular bumper is very easy. There are a bunch of videos already available. You can assemble this modular bumper, and the fog light gonna come with the kit, and they are plug and play. So if you have as long as you have a Honda Accord 21, 22 Honda Accord with fog lights, those OEM fog lights, they are the 18 to 20 style fog lights. They are plug and play. They are ready to go. Just plug them and they will work. And we tested it and everything works great. So this is how it looks from the back. Okay, so this is how it's mounted. Let me just give you a quick rundown. This is how we assembled it. Okay, like I said, there are videos available on the internet how to assemble the modular bumper, and like previously said in the other videos, if we can install it on a Honda Accord 21, 22, you can too. But make sure you have a little bit of knowledge before installing it and you are comfortable with it, because in order to install this lower grill part, it's time consuming. It's easy but time consuming, and if you are removing this grill garnish or the garnish whatever, and this top one, it's a little challenging, okay? Because these clips underneath over here, okay? I'm talking about this clip and then this clip. Go ahead, point it, okay? One over here, one over here, here, yeah. So all these clips, they're a little stubborn, okay? So take your time with it, don't break them. And another thing is, there are tabs over here, Arvin. So go ahead.
I already took off the tabs, but the tabs are gonna be right here. Right there. So pretty much all the round ones have clips.
Okay, so once again, let me point it out to you. So I'm gonna zoom in. So one over here, and then one over here, and then one over here, one over here, and one over here, and last one is on this one. So the one on the edges, they're easy to remove. But these one over here, this one, these two basically you have to remove the front the chrome garnish. You have to remove this first in order to get to these clips, okay? So once again, take your time with it, and if we can do it, you can do it too. All right, so now so we're gonna just basically kind of tell you, we're gonna reverse engineer it or reverse video it. So then that way you guys have a little bit of idea on how to install or put it together or whatever you call it. All right, go ahead. So we removed all the clips already. So like I said, okay, see like this piece, yeah, good. So we are removing this top inner trim right now. Now this top inner trim, this one, will come with the kit. So you guys don't need to order anything. Everything will be inside the box. And once again, take your time with it. No need to rush it. It took us about maybe 2 hours tops, but we did all the hard work for you. Okay, there you go. So once again, just show me the front. So the front, the chrome grill garnish, this is from the 2018. So our kit will include the gloss black aftermarket grill garnish, okay? This thing is the only one that you need to transfer over from 21 to 22 Honda Accord. Now go ahead. All right, so we need that top area so we can put the other car back together. Now, in order to remove that upper plastic piece, it's held by clips only. So once again, take your time with it. You don't want to break these clips. Okay, one side piece is off. Okay, the other side piece is off also from the grill garnish. Now the center piece, we have to remove that in order to release that top white part. So once again, take your time with it. Okay, one's out. There you go. Okay, so now we have our 21-22 upper grill piece or upper hood piece. It's out, and okay. So this is the piece I was talking about. This will be provided with the kit. 1, 2, and the grill. 3, this will come with the kit, and of course the grill garnish in gloss black so it matches your car. Fog light covers and plastic rubber pieces. We showed that to you earlier, and that needs to be transferred over. All right. Besides that, if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Thank you.